Because it is not just about how much you can afford, but how much responsibility can you realistically handle.
Explain ko lang ha, it's not just about your buying power, but your staying power. Ito yung kakayanan mo na i-handle yung monthly payments, association dues, maintenance, and unexpected expenses consistently without the stress. Kaya yung mga smart investors, pinipili lang nila yung property that will make their life easier, not harder. Kaya kung smart ka, pipili ka ng property na fit sa lifestyle mo, sa income mo, at sa long-term goals mo. Kung gusto mo ng work-life balance with so much convenience, ay dito ka na mag-invest sa Activa. Located lang sa corner EDSA and Aurora Boulevard in Quezon City na talaga namang accessible sa MRT and LRT stations, sa mga major malls, offices, and everything you need daily. It's a mixed-use community. May residential units, may office space units. Imagine, pwede ka magkaroon ng residential unit, which is your home, and pwede ka magkaroon ng office unit, which is your place of business, in one community lang here in Activa. Sobrang convenient, di ba? At develop ito ng Philinvestland, the leading real estate developer in the Philippines. Kaya sure na ang growth ng investment mo dito sa Activa. Best investment, ika nga. Kaya scan mo na yung QR code for tripping and more info. My name is Eva and I am your real estate broker friend na magpapakita sa inyo ng mga best properties kagaya nito.